Understanding the maintenance phase.
Maintenance is the stage after software is released and in use. It involves making changes, improvements, and fixing problems as they appear. This phase is vital for ensuring software continues to meet users' needs over time. Without ongoing maintenance, software can quickly become outdated or vulnerable, highlighting why this phase is such a critical part of the development lifecycle.
Types of software maintenance.
There are several types of maintenance. Corrective maintenance fixes bugs or errors found after release. Adaptive maintenance updates software to work with new hardware, operating systems, or regulations. Perfective maintenance improves performance or adds new features. Finally, preventive maintenance aims to anticipate and resolve potential issues before they cause problems.
Why maintenance is essential?
Software is used in changing environments. New technologies, security threats, and user requirements constantly arise. Without regular updates, even the best software can become ineffective, unsafe, or incompatible. Maintenance ensures that applications stay reliable, secure, and relevant in a rapidly evolving digital landscape.
Challenges in software maintenance.
Maintaining software presents unique challenges. Code complexity, lack of documentation, and evolving user needs can make updates difficult. Balancing the desire for new features with the need to fix bugs requires careful planning. Despite these challenges, ongoing maintenance is essential to prevent bigger problems down the road.
The impact of good maintenance.
Proper maintenance extends the life of software, enhances user satisfaction, and reduces long-term costs. Proactively addressing issues prevents downtime and security breaches. By making software maintenance a priority, organizations can support innovation, protect data, and give users a smoother, safer experience.